What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to the ClearCryptos education channel. My name is T. Haas from the Crypto Shop, and of course, you know I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's going on, everybody?
All right. First, we got NASDAQ, then we get BlackRock, and then we get Fidelity. And now, in this article, another big bank is starting to become very bullish on a certain crypto. Justin, take us to the article, man.
Yeah, so the Bank of America says that Bitcoin's 2023 rally could have more room to run. So specifically, the bank stated that the possibility that the assets movement between both cryptocurrency exchanges and personal wallets is a guiding factor. And the week of April the 4th, a net of $368 million worth of Bitcoin was sent to two personal wallets. The development was noted as the second largest Bitcoin outflow from crypto exchanges, according to strategists Alkesh Shah and Andrew Moss, in a note obtained by Bloomberg. Investors transfer tokens from exchange wallets to their personal wallets when they intend to hold them or hodl, indicating a potential decrease in selling pressure, said Shah and Moss. Additionally, the continuous regulatory pressure on the industry as a whole may have been a determining factor to widespread holding, which is dope, right? People are holding on to their Bitcoin, and it's been very bullish lately. So conversely, Bitcoin's year-to-date growth has surpassed some major asset alternatives, and Bitcoin is becoming a very clear safe haven for a lot of issues we're having right now, the president of crypto exchange OKX, Hong Fang, told Bloomberg. So yeah, Bitcoin's been on a very impressive run as of late. Bank of America clearly notices that. And I'm happy to see that people are finally taking the advice of the exchanges and getting their money off exchange and into somewhere safe where they can hold Bitcoin without having to worry about exchanges going under. So Haas, what do you think?
Well, I think that it's finally starting to happen. I think that slowly but surely, all retail investors needed to see was that their money wasn't safe in banks either, right? Like they talked all of this stuff about crypto. They said that crypto was a problem. It's too many, collapses and it's too unpredictable and all this other blase. But it seems like people are starting to change their tune when one of the top 10 banks in America, in the country, went bye-bye in overnight off of something that was easily seen. Interest rate hikes. You knew these were coming. You knew they were coming. But anyway, I think this is very bullish for BTC because you can even see it in the price action. You can start to see the markets are collapsing. The markets are running. And what is BTC doing? It's going up. It's stabilizing. It's cooling off. It's going back up higher. It's stabilizing. In other words, it's starting to decouple. That's because I believe that more people are starting to gain confidence in the crypto system, in the crypto ecosystem altogether, because it's almost like hitting the F it button. Banks failed us, so F it. Let's just buy crypto. That's how I feel about it. You guys let us know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back and check out more videos on ClearCryptos education channel with myself, Justin, and some of the other amazing influencers that we have over here. That being said, that guy over there is Jay Seals. My name is T. Haas, and we'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.